Dear students, welcome to our first class of Introductory Agro-Meteorology and Climate Change course. This is a 1+1 course. That means every week we have one theory class, one practical class. It is a very interesting, really useful to farmers and also for rural development in the days to come. You will learn in this course very interesting and really useful to solve the problems of the farmers at the field level. Okay. Now, before all our beloved students enter into the class, not to waste our time, I just would like to narrate a small story. The story title is, you can put anything, but from my side it is Father and Son and the Donkey. Okay, good. A father and his son were once going with their donkey to a market. They were going to a market. As they were walking along, some villagers passed. Then the villager said to both father and son, "What? A donkey is for a ride upon. It's not that you walk and it also walks. Just get onto the donkey and go. That's good, comfortable." So, first the man put his son on the donkey. They went on their way, but soon they passed a group of men. One of the persons in the group said, "See, that lazy young boy is sitting on the donkey while his father is riding. No, this is not good." Immediately the boy said, "Father, I get down. You just ride the donkey." Okay. So now the father sat on the donkey, the son was walking. Now they come across two women passing in that way. One of them said to other, "Shame, shame, shame. This lazy father is sitting on the donkey. His poor little son is walking. What is this? Do we do like that? Do we allow our son to walk and then the man in the head of the family to ride on the donkey?" Listening this, the father didn't know and the son didn't know what to do. But at last, the father took up his boy and the donkey and they were walking. By this time, they had come down almost near to the town, and some passers-by began to jeer, laughing at them. The man stopped and asked what they were laughing at. The men said, "Aren't you ashamed of yourself for overloading the poor donkey?" What is this? Some people said, "I should not sit." Some people said, "My son should not sit it." Now these are saying that because two women were asking, both son and father may better go. Now I am on the donkey along with my son and with small luggage. So the father get mad, and the man and the boy got off and tried to think what to do. They thought and they thought again. At last, they cut down a pole, tied the donkey to its feet and raised the pole on the donkey to their shoulders. That means the father and the son are carrying the donkey. They went along middle of so many people near the market. There is a market bridge. People were laughing at it. The donkey is being carried by father and son. In the meanwhile, getting one of his foot loose, the donkey kicked out the boy. The boy fell down. Immediately the father also tried to protect both the donkey and the son. In the struggle, unfortunately, the donkey fell over the bridge. Because the donkey's 4 feet being tied, the donkey drowned and died. By seeing this, the father was very, very vexed, ashamed, then gone home. What is the moral or moral of the story? Please all, and you will please none. So, of course, till all our beloved students enter the class, I try to impress upon you with a small story. Now, whenever time permits, during the classes, I try to give or enlighten or tell some stories or some sayings or some sort of biography of inspiring people. Okay, now, so in today's class we study simple things, very, very interesting things, very, very simple, very, very simple. Now, the first one is atmosphere. Now, the chapter 1 of our introductory agrometeorology and climate change is atmosphere and agricultural meteorology. In this, we try to understand in this class what is atmosphere, what are the uses of atmosphere for agriculture, what is the composition of the atmosphere. Only that much. Now, the earth is elliptical in shape. The earth is elliptical or oblong in shape otherwise. It has 3 spheres. They are hydrosphere, the water portion, lithosphere, the solid portion, and the atmosphere, the gaseous portion. That means atmosphere envelopes hydrosphere, the water portion, lithosphere, the solid portion. By definition, atmosphere is defined as a colorless, odorless and tasteless physical mixture of gases which surrounds the earth on all sides. I repeat once again, atmosphere is defined as the colorless, odorless and tasteless physical mixture of gases which surrounds the earth on all sides. The atmosphere is mobile, compressible and expansible. Now, let us try to understand the uses of atmosphere for agriculture. The uses of atmosphere for agriculture. As I said a minute back, atmosphere is the gaseous portion. It envelopes both hydrosphere and lithosphere. Now, the atmosphere provides oxygen which is useful for respiration in crops. Atmosphere provides carbon dioxide to build biomass in the photosynthesis. Atmosphere provides nitrogen which is essential for plant growth. It acts as a medium for transportation of pollen. Atmosphere protects crop plants on the earth from harmful ultraviolet rays. Atmosphere maintains warmth to plant life, and atmosphere provides rain to field crops as it is a source of water vapor, clouds, etc. Right. Now, to sum up the uses of the atmosphere, it has oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, which are essential for plant growth. Atmosphere acts as a medium for transportation of pollen. Of course, it protects crop plants from harmful ultraviolet rays. Atmosphere maintains warmth for plant life. It provides rain. Now, so far what we tried to understand are the earth is elliptical or oblong in shape. It has three spheres. Hydrosphere is a water portion, lithosphere is the solid portion, atmosphere is the gaseous portion, followed by definition of atmosphere and the uses of the atmosphere for agriculture. Now, in the remaining part of the first class, we try to understand the composition of the atmosphere. There is no definite upper layer to the atmosphere. The decrease of air with altitude is so rapid. Half of the atmosphere lies within 3.5 miles or 5.5 kilometers from the surface, and nearly 3/4 of the atmosphere lies up to 7 miles, that is 11 kilometers. Once again, half of the atmosphere lies within 3.5 miles or 5.5 kilometers from the surface, and nearly 3/4 of the atmosphere lies up to 7 miles. This bit will come in your midterm, maybe in the practical final, in the Viva you may be asked, okay. In the theory final exam also there is a possibility. So I just would like to repeat third time that half of the atmosphere lies within 3 miles, that is 5.5 kilometers from the surface, and nearly 3/4 of the atmosphere lies up to 7 miles or 11 kilometers. May come in the form of fill in the blank or multiple choice or match the following, whatever it may be. Okay, please remember. Now, as far as the atmosphere and its composition is concerned, the atmosphere is a mixture of many gases. In addition, it contains large quantities of solid and liquid particles collectively called aerosols. This bit also will come either in the midterm or in the final theory exam. Once again, I would like to explain to you or enlighten you that atmosphere contains large quantities of solid and liquid particles collectively called aerosols. A-E-R-O-S-O-L-S, aerosols. Only one word, not two words. A-E-R-O-S-O-L-S. Good. The lower part of the atmosphere contains water vapor from 0.02 to 4% by volume. Nitrogen and oxygen make up approximately 99, that is 99%, and just 1% by other gases. Please see, both nitrogen and oxygen approximately, okay, 99%, okay, they make up the atmosphere. Innumerable dust particles are also present in the lower layers of the atmosphere. They are microscopic and play an important role in absorption and scattering of insolation. Insolation means incoming solar radiation that I discussed with you in the first weather element, solar radiation. Till that point, please try to understand there are microscopic and very important dust particles present in the atmosphere, and they are very important. They play an important role in absorption and scattering of insolation. Now, the principal gases comprising dry air in the lower atmosphere. Once again, the principal gases comprising dry air, not wet air, okay, dry air in the lower atmosphere has 4 major constituents. One is nitrogen, 2 is oxygen, third one is argon, fourth one is the carbon dioxide. Once again, principal gases comprising dry air in the lower atmosphere, major gases are nitrogen. Now, nitrogen comprises by percent volume 78.08, 75.51% by weight. By volume 78.08, by weight, percent by weight 75.51, oxygen 20.94% by volume, 23.15% by weight, argon 0.93% by volume, 1.28% by weight, and the most important carbon dioxide for crop plants 0.03% by volume, 0.046% by weight. This is the composition of the atmosphere. Today, being the first class in our introductory agrometeorology and climate change, I just discussed with you, tried to enlighten you on atmosphere, uses of atmosphere and composition of the atmosphere. Now, in the next class, we try to discuss the physical structure of the atmosphere and weather and climate. Okay, these two are very basics and very interesting that we discuss in the next class. Thanking you for 100% attendance in the first class itself. Great. We meet once again. May God bless you. Please do not forget to share this video with your friends to try to enlighten, and subscribe also so that you will get updated of your knowledge. Thanking you very much. Thanking you very much.